Satoru Gojo is a featured character in the manga series, Tokyo Metropolitan Curse Technical School, and its sequel, Jujutsu Kaisen. Also known as the strongest shaman, he is one of the 4 special class shamans and a current professor at the Tokyo Metropolitan Magic Technical College. A descendant of the Gojo clan, he is the heir to the unlimited curse technique and possesses the power of 6 eyes. Satoru is tall and thin, with white hair and light blue eyes, manifesting an image similar to the sky. He usually covers his eyes with a dark cloth and wears a characteristic black coat. Although he may be considered attractive, his appearance can vary between seriousness and casualness. Gojo displays a complex personality. As a teacher, he is authoritative and careful, but can also be friendly and playful. Although confident in his abilities, he is indifferent and cruel to shaman executives. Despite his laid-back attitude, he can be ruthless in combat and does not hesitate to make difficult decisions to protect those he cares about. Throughout history, he has experienced growth and maturity, influenced by traumatic events. Despite his strength and haughtiness, Satoru Gojo shows humanity in his actions and emotions, revealing a more vulnerable side in the face of significant losses. His story unfolds in the midst of conflicts between humanity and curses, adding layers of complexity to his character.